Welcome back. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Happy Monday. What's up, y'all? We back again, another trading day. And I know you see all those executions and you might be thinking, oh, maybe Kevin won today. Maybe Kevin is a trading genius today and he made some big $1,000 million. Unfortunately, it was a break even day. Took two trades, both break even, and one almost like right on the edge of my trading session. And if you would see how that final one played out, oh, you would be angry as well. But let's break it down. Today, going into the week, actually, yeah, let's go starting the weekly chart. Going into the week bullish. We've been bullish for like ever, really. We had one bearish week way back when, and this was like 1 day's worth of price action that, or like 2 days, that caused us to have this huge drop. But ever since then, we've been pretty much bullish. All-time highs on NQ, but on ES, we are not at all-time highs, but still rather bullish on the weekly because we did not close below the low of this week. So we're expecting this up here to be our drawn liquidity on ES, which would also make NQ bullish for the time being. So while we do have this SMT at the high, that's that's pretty much all we look at on the weekly. Not going to really pay attention to that right now since we're all-time highs on the ES. So all of this structure is really going to be on the lower time frames. We have our daily also bullish. So we come down to the 4-hour to see anything here. You see I have the SMT marked out. That was from way back when. We've continued to push up and maintain that SMT. So I'm going to get rid of that for now. I marked out the previous day's high and low for, just to gauge where we were, and our key open. So 6 p.m. open, midnight open, our 9:30 open, 9 o'clock open, and then this blue line is our 10 o'clock open. I'm gonna change this line to this one can be pink. There we go. All right, so all of our key opens here are all the important key opens to me. So let's go down to the hourly. We have this inversion that we're delivering out of, this bullish fair value gap that we're delivering out of. And then on the way up, we are just respecting bullish price action. We have this bullish change in state of delivery right here. Didn't even tap back into it, just continued to accelerate upwards. We had this bullish fair value gap that was respected. We have just very bullish price action on the lower time frames, and then we're going to go on to the 15-minute because what originally I wanted to see was a retracement down into this rejection block on the 15-minute, which, as you can see, is paired with this order block here, it's paired with this order block, the 9:30 open and the 9 o'clock open. So we had our 9 o'clock open is acceleration, acceleration downwards, made this rejection block, and then continue to trade up. I want to see us trade back down into the block, and then I would have caught along here and then rode that the whole day. But unfortunately, we did not see that. So actually, do we come down to the 1 minute? Yeah, we just go straight to the 1 minute. So let's break down our first break-even trade here. 3R is with our target, 10-point stop. We're doing very tight stops with these, with this new strategy, essentially. I didn't want to see. I don't know what that's marked out for. Anyways, we have this inversion here that that's what I was entering off of, really. The inversion plus the key open here. But what I had neglected was a sweep of the engineered liquidity that we had here. So if we had swept the engineered liquidity and then seen this rejection block down here, and caught the equilibrium of that, that would have been a monster trade for the day. but unfortunately we do have tunnel vision sometimes, so shit happens. I'm just deleting some of the drawings here that aren't relevant at this time. Yeah. All right. So yeah, that we pushed up, hit our hit 40 ticks. 40 ticks means we break even. That's 1-to-1. And then just reversed. Oh well, tough lake titty caca. Break even trade there. Continue to fall down. Swept our liquidity out here, but did not have this block marked out or this order block. I think I had the order block marked out and this inversion. So this was my second trade idea that I want to see. I want to see it retrace down to here because we had the change in state of delivery, another change in state of delivery that got tapped in that I should have seen, but we had the change in state of delivery, inversion gap, and the order block, right? But we never tap back in. Had tunnel vision again, neglected to see this change in state of delivery within the order block. That also would have been extremely, that would have been like, that's one of my good confluences. So that would have been a good trade to take. Also, one tick with a bottom tick that could have gone away with like a 10-point stop, 5-point stop, with a smash TP and would have kept running. But unfortunately not. And then for our last trade that we actually made some good analysis for, could have made some better analysis. So we're going to take our notes here. So what we had, right, was the, this change in state of delivery plus the order block and the rejection block here. See, we rejecting, coming down to sweep these lows and moving up with a lot of velocity, leaving this massive wick. So we take the wick of this rejection block, and the ideal entry here, even if let's grab the fib here because I want to see how retarded I really am. Oh my God. Yeah. So if we grab the fib here, ideal entry would have been maybe, no, we kind of did. We didn't do that bad. So I'm not going to kick myself too much. The fib here, ideal entry has it at 705 or 79. So we got it right in the middle of those two. Not too bad. But we did move our stop to break even once we hit 40 ticks. Just came back down and punished us really. But we survived all of this. Should have entered here and would have had stopped at break even here. And then we wouldn't have got stopped out again. And then we would have lived happily ever after. But unfortunately, we did not get the win that we wanted to see today. Right into our full TP and even farther, really. But yeah, gonna be back tomorrow trading. We called these all out live in the Discord. So join the Discord, like the video, subscribe. Hope y'all enjoy and hope y'all made some money. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.